Hi everyone, welcome back to our deep dive into the best freelance websites for beginners in 2024. If you are looking to start your freelance journey or are seeking a side hustle, there are tons of opportunities out there. But not all of them are beginner friendly. In this video, I will cover the top freelance websites that caters for all skill levels, including tips for setting up your profile, finding work, and building a strong reputation. Stick with me until the end of this video, and you will know exactly where and how to get started. Mose Wamkota will always be my name. Freelancing is a great opportunity for beginners for several reasons. Number 1, flexibility. You can work from anywhere at your own hours, and also you can choose the projects that you want. Number 2 is skill development. Freelance allows you to improve your skills while earning money, plus get to work on diverse projects. Now the third one is portfolio building. Each project you complete can help build your portfolio, making it easier to land better clients all time. Now the fourth reason why freelancing is a great opportunity is that it's earning potential. Freelance offers a wide range of earning possibilities. With the time and dedication, many freelancers earn a full-time income. With all of these benefits in your mind, let's explore the top platform for beginner to get started. One of the most popular platforms for beginner and experienced alike is Upwork. Now to get started on Upwork, you need to create a profile with the details about your skills, past experience, and what services you are offering. Use Upwork skill test to showcase your ability. This can help stand out to clients. Now the second thing that you need to do when you are on Upwork, you need to use Connects, that is Upwork currency, to apply for jobs. You need also to write a customizable proposal for each job, addressing the client's needs and showing your enthusiasm. You need to start with small, manageable jobs to build your reputation and earn positive reviews. Upwork rewards freelancers with repeat clients, making it easier to find work. Upwork has a large client base and plenty of work opportunities, making it a fantastic starting point for freelancers. Next up is Fiverr, another beginner-friendly platform where freelancers can offer services starting from $5. On Fiverr, freelancers create gigs showcasing what they offer. Examples include writing, graphic designs, and data entry. Structure your gigs with clear, concise descriptions. Use keywords that potential clients might search for to help your gig appear in Fiverr search. Include examples in your portfolio for each gigs to show clients the quality of your work. So if you want to stand out on Fiverr, first, you need to have high quality visuals and compelling gigs description. This will make your gig more attractive. Keep your pricing competitive as a beginner, but also remember to offer value. You can also use Fiverr Analytics to track your gig's performance and make adjustments based on what is working. Start with 1 or 2 gigs based on your strongest skill and focus on delivering exceptional service to earn positive review. Once you get traction, add more gigs to expand your service offering and attract a broader client base. Fiverr is ideal for beginners as it allows you to focus on your skill. It doesn't require bidding on projects. Freelancer.com is another popular choice with a wide range of job categories. Now creating a profile on Freelancer.com is super easy. You need to fill in your profile with relevant details about your experience. The more detailed your profile, the higher the chances the clients will invite you to bid on their projects. On Freelancer.com, you bid on jobs that suit your skills. It is necessary to be strategic with your bids to win clients. As a beginner, consider bidding slightly lower to gain initial reviews and experience. Use Freelance Room's skill test to demonstrate your knowledge in different areas. Consider building a small portfolio of sample work to share with clients when you bid on jobs. Freelancer.com's range of job categories is suitable for various skilled levels, and it is an excellent platform for gaining experience. People Per Hour is a lesser known platform, but it is a very beginner friendly, like Fiverr. People Per Hour allows freelancers to set hourlies for specific services, allowing clients to buy directly. Choose a service that you are confident in and provide a clear, detailed description. People Per Hour has a bidding system as well, so writing tailored proposal is important. So be specific in your proposal and explain how you can solve the client's problem. Start with smaller projects to build a reputation. As you gain positive reviews, you will start attracting high-paying clients. People Per Hour is especially good for European markets, and it is growing in popularity, providing ample opportunities for beginners. Toptal is ideal for freelancers with the top skills in areas like software development, graphic designs, and finance. Toptal has a rigorous screening process to ensure the only top 3% of freelancers are accepted. You will need to pass several tests, including an interview, to join the platform. Once accepted, Toptal has high-paying clients who are looking for top-quality freelancers. And the best part with Toptal is that it provides support and resources for freelancers to succeed. If you have specialized skill, Toptal is an excellent platform for higher earning, though it's not a beginner-friendly like others. Guru is another great option with a straightforward and beginner-friendly interface. Fill in details about your background and other certifications to make your profile stand out. Guru has a structured portfolio section where you can display previous work. Guru has a job board where clients post projects in various fields. Bid on projects that matches your expertise. Like other platforms, your initial bids might need to be lower to attract clients and build reviews. Guru allows you to categorize your profile by specific skills, so make sure to use relevant keywords. Guru interface is user-friendly, making it a good choice for freelancers starting out in fields like writing, admin work, or design. LinkedIn is an excellent platform for networking and finding freelance work. LinkedIn Profinder is their service specifically for connecting freelancers with clients. Now on LinkedIn, you need to focus on building a detailed profile with relevant experience, skills, and endorsements. Share portfolio pieces, testimonials, and relevant certifications to establish credibility. LinkedIn Profinder allows freelancers to apply to clients' requests directly. Although it is limited to specific countries, it is an excellent for those who can access it. Connect with potential clients in your industry and engage with their content to build relationship. Share insights and showcase your expertise by posting your own content on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a great for freelancers who want to connect business professionals. And LinkedIn Profinder offers more structured opportunities. Now here are a few tips for freelancing success. Number 1, focus on building your profile. A polished, complete profile with a portfolio, testimonials, and clear description is key to attracting clients. Now the second one, you need to respond to your clients. Be professional in your communications to build trust and secure repeat clients. Another tip is that you need to manage your time. Freelancers offers flexibility, but managing your time effectively will help you to handle multiple projects. Now the fourth tip is that you need to ask for feedbacks. Positive reviews boost your credibility, so always ask clients for feedbacks. Building your freelancing career takes time and dedication, but with consistency, you can succeed and grow. There are so many opportunities for beginners in freelancing, and this platform can help you get started and build a successful career. So if you find this video helpful, please go on and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification bell. God bless you. Until the next time, bye.